Jaizen Design Kitchen and Bath. DIY. How to assemble easy reach-based corner cabinet. Model number BSQC 33 and BSQC 36. For more information, please visit our website at www.winnipegcabinet.ca. Jaizen Design Kitchen and Bath. Another option for corner storage, the base Easy Reach cabinet does quite simply what the name would suggest. Easily reach a variety of items with the innovative crisscross shelves. Base corner cabinet comes with a full-depth adjustable shelf, or add a Lazy Susan for easy reach of stored items. Easy Reach Corner Base Cabinet, 36, wide with 2 full-height doors, size 34.5 high by 36-inch width by 36-inch depth. Can be assembled with hinges on left or right, 1/2 depth, L-shaped shelf. Doors open 170 degrees for easy access. Soft closed door not available. This cabinet is fully solid wood, 3/4 inch plywood with wood veneer. Finish inside and outside painted white with lacquer.